Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you my farmhouse style DIY home decor, and if you enjoy this video please give it thumbs up and let's dive in straight away into this project. I already pre-cut all my pieces and the measurements are 12 centimeter by 18 centimeter. For those two pieces are 8 by 10 and for the last two pieces are 8 by 18 centimeter. I kind of wanted to give like farmhouse style to this decor, so first thing I did was just cut out a long straight piece from the chicken wire. Next, I kind of eyeball my measurement and I cut it down until it fits in place. And then to attach it, I just added a little bit of hot glue to the back. And then I glue all the pieces together. To make a wheel, I cut out 4 rings from the drainage pipe and the width of the wheels are 1.5 centimeter, and then I cut out a branches just to stick them inside the wheels. When my 4 wheels are done, I attach them with a hot glue. I'm mixing all those colors together by creating a perfect shade of green to paint the wagon. And I realized I should have painted first before putting the wheels on. So while done, I just removed them. I gave a couple coats of paint. When the paint was dry, I printed out a vintage picture from internet. And then I apply a thin coat of PVA glue at the back of the picture. And place it on the wagon front and carefully smooth out any wrinkles, and then apply another coat of PVA glue over the top of the vintage picture. When the glue was dry, I lightly distressed it with a 120 grit sandpaper, and then I applied a coat of clear wax. To decorate, there are so many options what you can put in it. I will show you a couple of options how you can style it. In my case, it's going to be in the kitchen on the windowsill, so I decorating with a pot of herbs and the seeds next to it. And for the second option, I've decided to fill a cup with a bunch of flowers, and to spice it up look, I add a couple of books. It's a little different and unexpected, and that's why I like this. I hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know in the comment and see you next time. Bye!